Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are revisiting a classic pair of confusing words. We have touched on these before, but they are so tricky and so common that they absolutely deserve a second look.
A second look? They must be really important. What are the words today?
The words are accept and accept.
Oh, accept and accept. Yes, it is incredibly easy to mix these up because they sound almost identical when native speakers are talking fast.
Exactly. Let's do a quick, powerful refresher for our English learners. Accept, with an A, is an action word. It means to receive something willingly or to say yes.
Right. You open your arms to accept an award, or you accept an apology from a friend. You're welcoming it in.
And accept, with an EX, means to leave something out. It means but not, or excluding.
Let's look at a brand new scenario for our learners to really lock this into their memory. Imagine a teacher is planning a fun field trip for her English class.
Oh, I always loved field trips.
The teacher hands out permission slips. In order to go on the trip, every student must bring the paper back signed by their parents. The teacher announces, "I will accept these forms until Friday."
Perfect. She is willing to receive the papers. She is welcoming them, so she uses accept with the letter A.
But then, Friday afternoon arrives. The teacher looks at her checklist and realizes that almost everyone brought their forms back, but one student, let's call him Tommy, forgot his paper at home.
Oh no, Tommy, now he can't go.
Exactly. So the teacher tells the school principal, everyone is ready for the trip except Tommy. She's using the EX word to leave Tommy out of the group.
Poor Tommy is excluded, but that actually brings up the absolute best memory trick for these words. The word exclude starts with EX, and so does accept.
That is a brilliant trick. A is for accept and allow. EX is for accept and exclude. If you remember that, you will never mix them up in an email again.
Your homework for today: think about a rule in your house or at your workplace. Does the rule apply to everyone, or is someone excluded? Practice making a sentence out loud using the word accept, and remember that EX trick.
Reviewing these tricky word pairs is the best way to build your confidence and your fluency. You are doing fantastic.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
We accept all of your great efforts. See you next time on Mady English Practice.